Hi, I'm Tara with Simply Made Eats and welcome to my kitchen. It is officially fall, it's October, and the acorn squash is in season. So this is actually one of my favorite things to have at Thanksgiving, but it's also delicious just for like an easy weeknight meal. You can stuff these. You can also just do it like how I'm gonna make it today and serve it as a side dish with chicken or whatever you wanna serve it with. But it's super simple and we're only gonna need a few ingredients to make it delicious. So I've got butter, I have nutmeg, cinnamon, and brown sugar. So let's get to it. Created a delicious side dish in no time. I encourage you to try and bring this to Thanksgiving this year, especially if you're like a new cook. It's a great side dish to make and everybody will be super impressed. Thanks so much for being here with me and I'll see you next time. Thanks.